guys, alright?
Hello.
Today we are going to the flooded church.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Like Gemini.
Gemini. I think it's only visible certain seasons and then water rises up to the roof. So all you see is the thing pointing out. So I'm not sure if it's going to be out of the water or in the water. It's going to be like a surprise for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fingers crossed that we can see most of it, but yeah, we're going to get some pictures, some drone footage.
I'm not bringing my camera because I don't think that'll get any good pictures anyway, because it's just the top of the thing.
I'm taking mine because I will get good pictures because I'm amazing. Layla's just learning how to be amazing. She's only young, but she might take after her dad if she works hard enough. Anyway, it's a 2-hour drive, so we'll see you when we get there.
What is it actually?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you didn't know?
No. That's so long.
Good things don't come easy, mate. 2-hour drive is a minor. Anyway, see you soon, guys.
Bye.
How you doing, guys? All right. If you might notice, we're wearing different clothes today because the last time we tried to come here, we went on such a bad road that a rock hit the bottom of the car and cracked the sump. So we broke down and we had to abandon the mission, didn't we? Took us ages to get back. Bodge up repair on the car. I've got a picture on there. I'll show you. I'll upload it so you can see a picture of the car all jacked up, and I put a load of exhaust pipe repair on the sump to get home. But yeah, we made it here today. We brought a different car. So we are at a sunken church. What's this place called? In Gemini Church. Yeah, it's like a wasteland, isn't it?
There's barely any church. You can just see like the tip of it.
Yeah, I've got some drone footage, but you've got to have a look at this. So this is it. It's a complete like wasteland, and I assume that water comes in here. There's the buried church. But guys, it's sad what's happened. I'm going to put a picture up. Have a look at this. This picture is what this place used to look like. It was a village full of people and flooded a village full of this thick mud. And it's gone. A whole village gone. All the people gone.
Wait.
All underneath this.
Is there a stick I can
There's probably skeletons underneath this.
Is there a stick I can put in it and show them how deep it is?
Yeah. There's probably skeletons and out underneath this as well.
You ready?
Yep, we're ready.
This bit is probably not that deep.
What would you do if you pulled up a finger?
That bit's not deep, and then...
Oh, that didn't do well, did it?
Wait.
Well, that's not going to do well. Look, these are the brains of my daughter. She picks up leafy wood to try and burrow it into like clay.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a sad story, really, isn't it?
No, never mind. That one's just like a tree or something.
And I'll tell you what, there's a abandon that idea as well.
Okay.
You might be poking an eye socket. You never know.
Gross.
Yeah, so that's us. And I think this will probably be the last main visit of our series. Welcome to Romania.
Aww.
If not, we'll try and get back out and get something else, but maybe. So, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hi guys, well we was on our way yesterday to go to this Sunken church, but do you know what, the roads were so bad, it tore the sump, the oil sump, actually ripped it open, so we end up pulling into a garage somewhere with oil leaking out everywhere, me going to buy some gum exhaust repair, getting under the car and trying to cram the crack full of exhaust repair just to get us home. So yesterday was a complete write-off, but it was funny, wasn't it? It was still an adventure. She didn't like it. It was hot, but it was an adventure. But what we saw of it looked amazing. We just couldn't stop.
No, never mind.
So today we're going up like a viewpoint on top of a mountain overlooking like a countryside. Yeah. And then in there as well, we also got like old mines, old mine shafts, secret little underground cabins and stuff like this. So we're going to go and take some pictures and a bit of footage in there, and hopefully we get something weird. You never know, maybe a bit creepy. You like that, innit? And yeah, I think with the footage today, I'm going to capture and concentrate on maybe lights and shadows and stuff like that. What about you?
I don't know.
So I don't know what's wrong with her today. She seems a bit tired. Look at her. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Oh, she's tired. All right. See you later. So we're here on top of the viewpoint. Layla's got some glasses on. They're not ours, but she likes to look intelligent. Put them on. It didn't work. Yeah, but we're on top of the viewpoint. And yeah, I've got some drone footage. And we're going to go and explore in a second. Didn't we?
Don't those glasses look really good on me?
Do they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they suit her.
Totally.
You don't make her any more intelligent, though. Chat soon. We just had a trek through the woods, or through the forest on top of this big hill. It's a mining hill anyway, like a gold mining hill. We just went to a gold river.
It was really cool.
I took some pictures of it so you can have a look, but now we're here in this mine. Look, this mine here, we're going to have a quick look. Do you want to lead the way?
Yeah, can I hold it?
Or do you want me to film you?
I don't mind.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a mushroom. It's very echoey. It's really dark.
have a quick look in here first. This one.
Yeah.
I think that's what they said was this was like gold storage when they used to do gold mining.
I feel like it's like there's going to be really big spiders.
Yeah, it's a bit unsteady.
Let's go. You want to be careful with the gaps because you might like hurt yourself.
Watch your feet. Yeah, but apparently at night people can still see the light shining inside this mine from the gold miners. I mean, it's been ripped to pieces now.
Yeah.
It's derelict, but yeah, it's quite creepy. People in the village say, yeah, at night time they can hear like the sounds of gold being mined and see the light shine from these caves. Yeah.
Cool.
So it's a bit of a haunted place. So maybe one day we'll do a nighttime version of these videos, but we'll have to get some night vision first.
Yeah, we need to get night vision and bands. But yeah.
Oh, yeah, so that's it. We're gonna walk back down the trail now because we're high up. Look,
Ow.
we're high up.
I scratched myself on a stick.
It's not no small feat.
There's all orange and yellow on me.
Yeah, show me your hands.
Look at my leg.
That's from the Gold River.
And I'm really sad because these socks are brown.
River that runs out of the mine across the top of this like mountain down into a waterfall, but you can't get to the waterfall. It's like a golden waterfall, but you can't get to it. You can't get to footage to it. I can't even get my drone in next to so many trees.
Yeah.
But it's a nice trek. It's a beautiful day. It's like 32 degrees at the moment. Yeah, we're gonna go and swim in a river when we get back. But yeah, come and say bye then. And that's it for our trip to the mines.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the footage, guys. Bye.
Bye.
We hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't ever miss another episode. And thanks for all your support.